Hello again. I get asked a lot by different people how they can tell if their physician is truly interested in their health. And I have a couple basic rules that I follow. Number one is the computer. If your physician has a computer between the two of you and is constantly typing away, then they really are not showing an interest in you, to get to know your health. What they ought to do is talk to you, pay attention to you, and to type up a note on the computer takes about 5 minutes. They can do that between patients. Second of all, unless they ask you about several things, they're more interested in treating you as a disease rather than as a person. First off, they should ask you about your diet, what your diet consists of, how much are you relying on processed foods, how you could modify that diet to be healthier. Second of all is exercise. Do you sit all day? If you do, what do you do to go ahead and get some exercise? What can you do with your physical condition to give you some exercise? I always tell my patients the same thing. God gave you one butt and two legs. What do you think He wanted you to use for more? Thirdly, I think it's important to talk about stressors. We all feel stress, and having stress is not a bad thing. How we deal with stress will have a big impact on our health. So that should be explored as well. And finally, they should go over whatever medicines you are on and talk with you about what effects they'll have on you, and also interactions. We unfortunately are in a world of polypharmacy, and all too often it's easy to write a prescription rather than going ahead and seeing how things can interact or if you can take a couple of those away. For further things on health, please stay tuned. We'll be around.